The secret life of the Sasquatch. Yep.
It's the pony.
Can't really see it.
Can't really see it. Whoa!
So wrong. You would disappoint the Karate Kid and his teacher.
Whoa!
Hope you know that you guys are going to be on YouTube now.
Me? Why me?
There you go. Now you got the really good shot of his face, so everybody will know who he is.
Yes.
He'll cry if we actually do that, and then he looks you up on YouTube and sees that it's there, and then he'll be like, why? And he'll cry, and then we'll get that one on YouTube, and then we'll put it on YouTube. This is what happened when we found out that we YouTube too. Yep.
A turkey. People are evil.
Sierra's already on YouTube.
Really?
Yes. What do you think she's doing? I told you she's gonna put you on YouTube.
Woo! Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I guess I should.
Lady.
Woo! Rare Sasquatch does it again. Playing the only place he can get.
Yep.
Box. Hey, get in the box. Box. Get in the box. I love you. Yay! I got Jack in the Box. Hey, look at the look. Yeah, see? Jack in the Box. Look. Look on camera.